I can't wait for our. When that comes in, you're gonna hurt on and be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm coming to y'all with another banger, okay? Yep, I'm back with the iPhones and this is the 12 mini. I don't know, you guys, people haven't really been asking for any other case but iPhone, so I think iPhone is becoming, well, it was already popular, but I know that there were a lot of Samsung lovers out there, but I haven't been getting any requests for the Samsungs anymore like I used to, because people are like switching over to the iPhone. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and start this video because, you know, we don't want no long video. The tools and the material I'll be using for today, I use them in every video. So we have my handy dandy picking tool, and these will be up on the site soon, you guys. I have like some coming in. People were asking me about where do I get these. So, you know, when you ask your girl where do she get them from, you know, I come through. But you can get them off of Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and all those other places. But I'll be having some soon, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Then I'm also going in with my Gorilla Clear Grip Glue. This is my handy dandy glue. It's either this glue or the E6000. They both work good. And then, you know, I got my face mask. I had this face mask. Now, mind you, this wasn't the original face mask that I had. I had a really, really good one. But I had it for so long that I needed to upgrade. And, you know, when I decided to upgrade, that's when the pandemic hit. So I couldn't find the mask no more. So I got to use this little, oops, sorry, guys. So I had to use this, like, little mask that I got from, you know, like the corner store. As long as I'm protecting myself, that's all that matters, because this glue is strong, you guys. Like, it's strong. Especially the Gorilla Glue, it's really strong. Let's stop all this chit-chat. I know y'all want to see the finishing look. Let's get the bling in. Okay, you guys, so I am almost done. The kids woke up. Y'all probably gonna hear them in the background. I just need to go in like on right here, a couple spaces over here, up in there, and put some 2mm rhinestones. I also have to go in right here and put some, but I figured let me just hurry up and end this video, and then by the time I take the picture, you guys will see the ending look. But while I'm here, let me just go ahead and pull back the paper and the plastic so that you guys can see what I have underneath. And these kids are so loud. And mind you, I'm in my son's room now because I have company, and I didn't want to disturb my company. My craft station is actually downstairs by my front door. So yeah, you guys, it's nice. It's really nice. So once I go in and clean up, obviously I got to clean up because I got some excessive glue, and fill in those spaces, I'll take the pictures, and then yeah, you guys, this is the finishing look. Well, will soon to be the finishing look. But yeah, you guys, I want to just thank everyone for all their support. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure those post notifications are turned on so that y'all won't miss another video, because y'all don't want to miss a video. Y'all really don't. So yeah, you guys, until the next video, bye bye.